Hello, in this video I am going to talk about the further development of JOHNN-E-B. I have installed a bumper at the front of JOHNN-E-B to protect the DC motors and its wires from getting caught on an object by accident, and to protect any other wires, as you can see, that may be located at the undercarriage of JOHNN-E-B. I have also installed some ultrasonic sensors, 6 to be precise. Ultrasonic sensors send a sound wave somewhat similar to the bats sending sonar waves that bounce back objects, and the time that the sound takes to return from bouncing off an object is calculated and the distance is determined. So I have programmed the sensors to sense an object within 60 centimeters, and I have connected the wires to a breadboard that's on. If you can see that breadboard, I have connected the wires to the breadboard from the ultrasonic sensors. Then I connected those wires to a dedicated Arduino Uno board here, and I have interfaced that board with the motor driver board, the Arduino DC motor board. And the way I accomplished that was with, if you can see, some orange mini breadboards that I've used. I use relays to isolate the two boards, because if one board is powered up and sends a signal to a pin of another board that's being uploaded with a program, that is stalled or is not accomplished. So I had to use two relays. I used two relays to isolate the boards. In the future, I may replace the relays with transistors. I also installed the same type of relay. It's a reed switch relay. It's a single pole, single throw relay. I found that one relay did not operate exactly the same as the other. I had put an LED in series with the coil of this relay, and whenever the signal is high, the LED lights up, the relay contacts a touch, which triggers a signal to the motor driver board. But in the other one, the LED required too much power, so I had to remove it. So this board does not have an LED, but this one has. I also installed a piezo buzzer that buzzes whenever JOHNN-E-B backs into a space that it cannot turn left or right. Then it stops and releases a tone to indicate that it's stuck. So let's take a demonstration. Turn the motors on. This master switch is closed. Close this one, and let's see the operation. Actually, I turned the motors off. Turn it on. So I'm here, it senses me, it turns to the right. It should sense that box, turn to the right, go forward. Reverse. I'm gonna make JOHNN-E-B reverse and see if I can get him caught between two spaces. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm not focusing on as I do this. I have to be better with the camera. Okay, so JOHNN-E-B reverse is right there. There you go. So when JOHNN-E-B backs into a space that I programmed that is too small for a left or right turn, it releases a signal to indicate it needs assistance. Then when I remove it, it should continue on its way. Or if I relocate JOHNN-E-B. Actually, I have to clear. There you go. Thank you for watching.